Everybody, Chicken and Pickle is launching a new loyalty program, and I'm gonna tell you guys how to use it. So, right when you download the app, you already get a free shareable. All you gotta do is link your credit card, and again, who doesn't like free? Also, you receive 5 points for every dollar you spend, and I'm seeing all the goodies here. I see a free beverage, a side dish, free dessert, and lastly, you can use this app to check out upcoming events at your local Chicken and Pickle. So again, make sure to download the app, get your free shareable, rack up those points, and we'll see you at Chicken and Pickle. Cheers.